One step, from idea to industrial marvel. A pursuit of excellence in every detail, in every product. We are there where progress is born. Honoring the past, we shape the future. The scientific legacy of a family of world-renowned scientists, Yevhen and Boris PATON. Each device carries the experience of generations and thousands of hours of testing. Aware of our responsibility, we evolve and improve every day. For the sake of what matters most, the future we are building together. We push boundaries in search of the new. Created in Ukraine to inspire the world.